Okay guys, I'm continuing on my journey of rhino or giraffe to rhino and then through to speckle. So I've got my tower over here and I'll just change it up a bit so we can see it's different. Ugly. Let's make it a bit taller up there. It's going to be a big tower. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to export it as a GeoJSON, and now what I've realized, which is a bit cheeky, is that a giraffe GeoJSON, even if it's not projected, actually comes with a little key called _projected, which has the projected coordinates. So you get the properties, the coordinate in the you get the geometry of standard GeoJSON, you get the properties of standard GeoJSON, and then you get this little hidden key of projected. So what I've done is, using Rhino Python, I have created a Python script that's just going to, I'll just run, called giraffe rhino import, that loops through the projected GeoJSON, does quite a lot of printing, and creates that project. So that's just been imported. And if we go to rendered, shaded, you can see what I'm doing is I'm putting the name commercial and I'm tossing it on the active layer. Okay, that's great. All right, so it's over here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to push it through to Speckle. So I'm going to type in the word Speckle and hit enter. It's open already, Sydney Tower. Okay, so I've just tried this before. I'm going to create a new stream, Sydney Tower 2. And I'm going to create that thing. And I am now going to send, so it's currently on the default layer. So I'm going to just, I'm not going to send everything, I'm going to just select the default layer and send. And then I'm going to come across back to Speckle. Go back to here, my streams, there we go. Fresh, why do I not see Sydney Tower 2? Sydney Tower, I do see Sydney Tower 2. 60 elements, and there it is. And this is super cool. And object types, I can turn off the B-reps. You can see those polylines. So giraffe only works in terms of polylines. And I can turn the polylines off and turn the B-reps on. And those are bringing some of the colors from giraffe. It's hard to see in this light, but so next step is into Revit. And what's nice about this, as opposed to some of my QGIS experiments, is this is object centered. So if we go back to Rhino, you can see the transform that giraffe does in that projected key is object centering this this building. So really cool, really, really cool.